How to find Safari downloads on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Safari and tap on it. You are now in the Safari settings page. Here, scroll down to the General section and go to Downloads. You can choose where you want to store your downloaded files to. As you can see, it is currently set to iCloud Drive. Now, go back and open up the Files app. Over here, go to the Favorites section and tap on Downloads. You can view all your downloaded files over here. Following these steps, you can easily find Safari downloads on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.